Welcome back to the channel, everybody, where today I'm going to be doing an experiment that I've seen on YouTube, and I'm going to attempt to make juicy white meat chicken breast. I am a dark meat person because of the tenderness and the juiciness of the dark meat. So I have found a video that guarantees juicy chicken breast, and I'm going to put that to the test. If this all works out, I will put a link to his channel and video in the description. I'm not a big chicken breast fan because of the dryness of the meat, but the video that I watched guarantees juicy white meat chicken breast. So we're going to get this Traeger heated up to 450. He always said you need to cook chicken, it's hot and fast, and we're going to put that theory to the test. Let's get this Traeger cranked up to 450 degrees, and we're going to let it heat up for about 20 minutes. Get those grills nice and hot. All right, let's get to this. This is going to be a short cook. Let's see what happens. All right, let's get the Traeger cranked up. All right, we're set at 450. We're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back with the chicken. Okay, the Traeger's almost up to 450 degrees, and this is what we got going on. I've had this chicken sitting on in this dry rub in the refrigerator for almost 4 hours now, and I found this new seasoning at King Soopers. If you don't have a King Soopers in your area, it's the same thing as Kroger. This is their private collection of barbecue rubs. I decided to get this for this chicken. It's called Kickin' Chili Lime. I tested this on some cucumber slices the other night, and let me tell you, oh my God, this rub is fantastic, and it even has a little bit of kick of heat to it. This rub has so much flavor going on. If you have the access to buy this at a Kroger or King Soopers, definitely pick you up a bottle. Well worth it. This is going to be fantastic tasting on this chicken. All right, we just got to let this Traeger finish getting up to 450 degrees, and then we're going to get this chicken on, and we're going to let it cook for 12 minutes, and then after that we're going to flip it and cook it for another 10 minutes or so until we reach an internal temp of 160 degrees. Now, I know what you're saying, chicken's supposed to be cooked at 165 degrees, but we're going to pull this at 160, and the carryover temp we'll cook it up to 165 juicy, delicious degree. All right, I'll be back when the Traeger's up to 450 degrees and we're putting this chicken on the grill. Okay, the Traeger's ready. Let's get these chicken breasts on. You know those grates are hot enough when you hear that sizzle. All right, we'll be back in 12 minutes. Okay, let's give this chicken a flip. And before I flip this, I'm going to put some of this melted butter on it. That'll help crispen it up a little bit. Nothing but flavor going on here. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Come back in 5 minutes and check the temps. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Let's give these chicken breasts a temp. All right, we're 151. 152, 153. And we're about 146 on this one. I'm going to switch it to the middle. All right, let's put some more butter on this side. And it's got some good looking char color on it. All right, give it another 5 minutes and we'll check it. Okay, it's been another 12 minutes. Let's give these chicken breasts a temp check. Look how beautiful they look. Oh, amazing color. 165, a little more than I wanted. 165. And 165-ish. All right, let's pull these. Now we're going to put these on a cooling rack, because if you put them on a flat surface, this hot chicken is going to heat up that surface. Same thing with steaks, and you're going to lose a lot of extra juices. You're going to lose juices, but you're not going to lose as much as if you put them on a flat surface. So we're going to be putting them on a cooling rack. Just look at how juicy they look. I hope they're as juicy on the inside as they are on the outside. Let's get them inside and get it cut up. Okay, we are going to cover these up loosely with foil and let them rest for about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll come back. As you can see, we're losing a little bit of juices, but that's expected. But if we were to have them on a flat surface cooling, we'd be losing a lot more juices. So this way, this will retain a lot of the juices. In theory, hopefully. We're about to find out. Let me get these covered and we'll be back in about 5 or 7 minutes or so. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. Look at how beautiful that piece of chicken is. I really, really, really hope it's tender inside and very, very juicy. We're going to find out. And it's still piping hot. All right, if you can see how tender this is, all the juice. He was right. Hot and fast will give you juicy white meat, juicy chicken breast. I will probably even enjoy this, even though it's not dark meat. Look at all that juice. It is one juicy piece of meat. Now that I can get after. All right, let's give this thing a taste test. Look at this, right there. Look at that juice. Incredible. I never thought white meat could even look like that. Look how shiny and glistening it is. Oh, we have to give this a taste test, especially with this new seasoning that I bought. All right, let's get into it. All right, everybody, let's give this chicken a taste test. You can see the moisture in this thing. Look at that, just dripping. I'm going to cut me a fresh piece here. Okay, Here we go. You can see the steam coming off of it. Hopefully you can. Look at the moisture in there. Incredible. Let's give this thing a taste test. Perfectly juicy. And that seasoning, I'm telling you, is the shit. You got to get some of this seasoning. If you got a Kroger or a King Soopers nearby, you have got to buy this seasoning. If you need to rewind the video, go rewind it to get the brand name and what type of seasoning it is. But man, that seasoning is so flavorful. The seasoning is so incredible, and it has just the right amount of heat to it. Nothing overwhelming, but you know it's there. This stuff is awesome. I have never had chicken breast this juicy. Kudos to the video that I watched. The channel name of the video that I watched, make this chicken breast and showed you how to make chicken breast juicy, is called Rum and Cook. I will have a link to his channel and the video where he shows you how to make this juicy chicken breast down in the description. You got to try this. You can use whatever seasoning you want. I happen to use this. With juicy chicken breast, white meat. I never thought you could ever have it before. That's why I don't like white meat. I like dark meat because it's more juicy. But this, cooking it hot and fast, worked out fantastic. I might even like white meat from now on. All right, everybody. As always, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I am on my way to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really, really, really love to do a giveaway. An epic giveaway for my thanks to you for subscribing and supporting my channel. And remember, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. It's just that simple. You can do it. Look how delicious this chicken is, and juicy, tender, seasoned. You can do this too. It's very simple. It's not that hard. Anybody can enjoy delicious chicken. You don't even have to have a smoker. You can do it on the grill. You can even do it in the oven. You don't have to have a smoker. Cook delicious food. It's well worth it. You can do it. I'll catch you on the next one, everybody. Thank you for watching. I can't get enough of this. Look at that seasoning. Juicy white meat with perfect seasoning. It's the best. Great chicken breast. I've never had it this good before. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Do it. You can do it. All right, I'm really out this time. Take care, everybody. Catch you on the next one.